Picture this, a young boy growing up in the rural village of Thal, Austria, with no electricity in his home. The odds were stacked against him. Born into a modest family where ambition seemed like a distant dream, that boy, Arnold Schwarzenegger, would one day become not just a global icon, but also a real estate mogul. But how? How did a small town kid with no resources carve a path to owning millions in real estate? Arnold's early life was anything but glamorous. His father, a strict police officer, believed in discipline and hard work. Arnold, however, dreamed of a life far beyond the rolling hills of Thal, inspired by movies and bodybuilding magazines. He set his sights on America, a land he called the Promised Land. With barely any money and a head full of ambition, he made his way to the United States in 1968 at the age of 21. But here's the twist. Arnold knew bodybuilding alone wouldn't guarantee financial security. While training and competing, Arnold worked odd jobs, including laying bricks. It was during this time he met mentors who introduced him to the power of real estate. A young immigrant with no financial backing might seem an unlikely candidate for success in real estate, but Arnold was no ordinary man. I understood that real estate is one of the safest and smartest ways to grow wealth, Arnold once said. But here's the catch. He didn't start with luxury homes or high-end properties. He started small.
I would save every single dollar that I made. And I didn't make much money at all. But I would save every single dollar that I made, that I bought then eventually a 6-unit apartment building that I started really little.
In the early 1970s, Arnold made his first purchase, a modest 6-unit apartment building in Santa Monica, California. He used the money he saved from bodybuilding competitions and bricklaying to make the down payment. It wasn't flashy, but it was strategic. Arnold's plan was simple: rent out the units, collect steady income, and let the property's value grow over time.
And I felt very strongly that before I ever buy an apartment, a condominium, or a house, I got to have income property first.
But there was a gamble. What if tenants didn't pay? What if the building required costly repairs? Arnold, however, embraced the risk, knowing the rewards were worth it. You see, success didn't come overnight, but Arnold had patience and a sharp eye for opportunities. The rental income from his first property allowed him to buy another, then another, then another. By reinvesting his profits, he scaled his portfolio from small apartment buildings to larger, more lucrative properties across California, United States. Arnold wasn't just buying properties. He was studying the market, learning about prime locations, and understanding the importance of timing. Always put your money to work, he would always say. Now, this is a mantra that guided his journey. By the time Arnold transitioned to his Hollywood career, starring in blockbuster hits like Conan the Barbarian and The Terminator, he was already a millionaire. Not because of acting, but because of his real estate ventures. While many of his peers relied solely on unpredictable movie careers, Arnold had created a financial safety net. Very important safety net. His real estate empire continued to grow, and by the 1980s, he owned prime commercial properties, office buildings, and luxury homes in Los Angeles. Strategies and lessons from Arnold's journey. 1. Start small. Arnold's journey began with a modest property he could afford. He didn't overextend himself, but made smart, calculated moves. Be like Arnold Schwarzenegger. 2. Reinvest wisely. Instead of spending his profits, he reinvested them into new properties, growing his portfolio steadily. 3. Patience always pays off. Arnold didn't rush for quick wins. He allowed his properties to appreciate over time, reaping significant long-term rewards. 4. Diversify strategically. From residential buildings to commercial properties, Arnold spread his investments to minimize risk. Fast forward to today, and Arnold Schwarzenegger's real estate property is worth millions of dollars. From his beginnings in a small Austrian village to owning prime properties in California, his story is a testament to the power of persistence, strategy, and starting small in real estate. Arnold Schwarzenegger's real estate journey teaches us that success doesn't come from where you start, but from the decisions you make along the way. So the next time you see a for sale sign, remember, it could be the beginning of your very own empire. Are you ready to build your future like Arnold did? Let his journey inspire you to take your first steps in real estate investing. Like, subscribe, and share this video for more stories and strategies that can change your life. Thank you. Bye-bye.